Welcome to Barcelona! If you guys are joining me for the first time, my name is Julie and I'm a flight attendant for one of the major airlines in the US. And like I just said, welcome to Barcelona. Now today I don't really have a plan. Usually I have somewhat of a plan where I'm going to be heading to in the city that I'm flying to, but this was kind of last minute, so I decided I'm just going to stroll the streets from Barcelona and take you guys along. I hope you guys enjoy. We are headed to La Sagrada Familia, which is the largest unfinished Roman Catholic church in the world. Now, La Sagrada Familia has not had an easy path to completion, according to Euronews. The first interruption was Gaudi's accidental death in 1926 when he was hit by a tram. This sudden shock halted the church progress for about 10 years. The next delay was due to civil unrest during the Spanish Civil War. And as I just said, this church has been unfinished for actually 140 years. Now, despite being unfinished, in 1984, UNESCO made it a World Heritage Site. And today it's one of the most visited churches in the world.
It's not always pretty, but honestly.
In front of us, we have the Plaza de Toros Monumental de Barcelona, in short, La Monumental, which is a bullring in the city of Barcelona. The last bullfight that took place here in La Monumental was in September 2011. However, the ban was officially annulled for being unconstitutional by Spain's highest court on October 5th in 2016. However, despite the overturning of the ban, no further bullfights have taken place in Catalonia. When you see this interesting sculpture, you know you made it to La Rambla. La Rambla is considered the most well known street in central Barcelona, a tree lined pedestrian street which stretches for 1.2 kilometers, connecting the Plaza de Catalunya in its center with the Christopher Columbus monument at Port Vale. And unfortunately, this is all the time I had to discover Barcelona. However, I'm definitely going to pick up another trip to Barcelona to check out some more of the city. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And with that, I say just bis bald, auf Wiedersehen.
Hey, hey, hey.